In today's video, we're going to be looking at Dexscreener Moonshot, and I'm going to be explaining exactly how it works. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand everything you need to know about Dexscreener Moonshot. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So to start with that, actually Dexscreener Moonshot, you see Dexscreener Moonshot is actually a new competitor to PumpFund. Now, if you weren't already aware, PumpFund is a website on the Solana network, and it allows you to buy coins before they launch by buying on this bonding curve, and when it reaches 100, these coins actually launch onto Iridium. Now Dexscreener has basically made their own thing here, and it works pretty much the same as PumpFund. All these coins have been fully audited and they're unlogged, and the ownership's renounced on all of them, meaning the only way you can get scammed on these coins is if the developer of the coin buys a ton of supply and then dumps on your head. But as long as that doesn't happen, these coins are 100% safe, and if you buy them, you know you're not going to get straight up broke. In order to buy a coin, just go ahead and select the coin or the token that you want to buy. Hit on that trade buttons you can see in this area. Select where you want to view this trade buy and sell section. You can view this using your browser and your wallet connected into your account. So just go ahead and select where you want to view this, and as you can see in this section, you can simply enter the amount of Solana that you want to trade in exchange to these coins. So make sure that you connect your wallet first to be able to buy and sell on Dexscreener, and that is how Dexscreener Moonshot works. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.